So this is prone heel to butt. So we're gonna have our athlete, Veronica, lying on the floor. Hands can be wherever they want. And all we're gonna do is we're gonna come in, grab the front of the ankle, and we're gonna drive the heel towards the butt. Always ask the person you're working with, is there any pain? Do you need me to stop? If you do, let me know before we start, right? Have a safe word. Because this is a test, if they already passed the kneeling test, this shouldn't be a problem from a knee perspective, but there might be some stuff going on in the back or in the hip that you want to be cognizant of. So again, I just grab the leg and I'm driving the heel towards the butt. First thing we're looking for, does the heel touch the butt? In this case, the answer would be yes, that's a full range of motion. Now I'm gonna have you come in a little bit tighter with the camera. We're gonna look for something else. Do you mind if I pull your shirt up? So we're gonna pull the shirt up a little bit, and these pants are perfect. We have seams that you can see. As I bring the heel to the butt, we're looking to see if this seam moves. And in this case, it does not. Somebody who has some limitations in their range of motion in the front of their leg will see some kind of shifting away with the hips. So as it comes up, it'll look something like this. You bring it up, and perfect. And her hips run to the opposite direction, or they extend back. Can you show them what extension would look like? Perfect. The whole spine locks up and everything gets tight. Some people will even experience pain in their low back when you bring their heel to their butt. So again, be careful when you do this. Make sure you're asking permission as you go along. Make sure that nothing is problematic. This is prone heel to butt.